travel around the Europe, Schengen zone area.
Interaction between different culture, interaction between different background, between different beliefs.
Increase the opportunities for people to exchange.
Yeah, we interacted a lot and we saw the differences between us, but we are like shaping a European identity for ourselves.
To look how other people are living, what they are thinking about other things, about other fields.
Process of formation or creation of new connections between countries or citizens of European countries.
The exchange of cuisine, culture, language, and everything between European countries and partnership countries.
Feeling of solidarity, supporting each other.
Exchange like their cultures and also like the people's mobility, and not only for youth but also for all generations.
To be able to travel without the border control.
Understand and to feel safety, and no matter where we are same.
Integrate and then to share the same currency or like internet as well. It really makes our life easier.
Or wherever there is a problem, there is a issue, all the other countries, all the other people with their different lifestyle come to support the area and the population that is in danger or in state of need.
It is all about to make new friends, to know different cultures, and to dive in the unknown.
We are a multicultural society. Awareness has to be provided for youngsters and people so we can prepare our future generation on certain levels.
Yes, that's why it's important that the Erasmus projects are more known to people like teachers, youth workers, everyone involved with the youngsters, so that they can develop themselves to teach the youngsters to become responsible citizens with a big, to have awareness with the right amount of cultural, social, emotional background.